Across North America, a sea of orange emerges every autumn. As the leaves change color and the air turns crisp, pumpkin fields come alive with vibrant hues. Pumpkins in all their vibrant glory dot the landscape. These aren't just decorations, they are a symbol of the season, a staple in our autumn traditions, and a key ingredient in many beloved recipes. Millions of tons of pumpkins are grown each year. From small family farms to large commercial operations, the scale of pumpkin production is truly staggering. This massive production relies on more than just farmers. It involves a coordinated effort of various professionals, each playing a crucial role in the process. It takes a network of hard-working men and women operating incredible machines. From planting to harvesting, every step requires precision and dedication. They transform these humble gourds into the pumpkin products we all enjoy. Whether it's pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice lattes, or roasted pumpkin seeds, the journey is fascinating. These aren't your grandpa's pumpkin patches. Modern technology has revolutionized the way pumpkins are grown and harvested. We're talking about huge fields, stretching as far as the eye can see. The sheer scale is breathtaking, a testament to human ingenuity and agricultural advancement. And the harvest? It's a finely tuned dance of heavy machinery and human ingenuity. Each machine and worker moves in harmony to gather the pumpkins efficiently. The journey from field to table is a fascinating one. From the moment a pumpkin is picked, it embarks on a complex path involving transportation, processing, and packaging. We're going to take a look at the dirty jobs, the incredible technology, and the hard work that goes into getting pumpkin products on your plate. It's a story of dedication and innovation. Buckle up, it's going to be a bumpy ride. Join us as we explore the world of pumpkins from the fields to your table. Back in the day, harvesting pumpkins was back-breaking work. It required a lot of physical effort and endurance. Farmers would walk the fields, bent over, using knives to carefully cut each pumpkin from the vine. This method was not only time-consuming, but also physically demanding. It was slow, labor-intensive, and frankly, a pain in the neck. Many farmers would end their days with sore backs and aching muscles, but like everything else, technology has changed the game. The advent of modern machinery has revolutionized the way pumpkins are harvested. Today, massive harvesting machines roam the fields, plucking pumpkins with mechanical precision. These machines can cover large areas in a fraction of the time it used to take. These aren't your average tractors. They're specialized pieces of equipment designed specifically for the job. Each machine is equipped with advanced technology to ensure efficiency. Some harvesters use rotating barrels equipped with soft brushes. These brushes are gentle enough to handle the pumpkins without causing any damage. These gently lift and guide the pumpkins onto a conveyor belt, separating them from the vines. The conveyor system ensures that the pumpkins are handled with care. Others use a system of rollers that gently coax the pumpkins loose. This method is efficient and minimizes damage to the pumpkins. It's a sight to behold, a symphony of gears and belts all working in perfect harmony. The machinery moves with precision and coordination. These machines have revolutionized the industry. They have significantly reduced the time and effort required to harvest pumpkins. They've made harvesting faster, more efficient, and a whole lot easier on the backs of those hard-working farmers. The future of pumpkin harvesting looks bright thanks to these technological advancements. Once harvested, the pumpkins begin their journey from the field to the factory. This is where the logistics get interesting. Think of it like a giant pumpkin ballet with trucks and trailers waltzing around the countryside. Giant dump trucks, some the size of small houses, rumble across the fields, collecting the harvested pumpkins. They transfer their bright orange cargo to waiting semi-trailers, specially designed for hauling these bulky gourds. These trucks fan out, forming a steady stream of pumpkin power, all heading towards processing plants. It's a carefully choreographed operation. Timing is everything. Delays can mean spoilage, and nobody wants a rotten pumpkin. These drivers work long hours, navigating rural roads and highways, ensuring the pumpkins arrive fresh and ready for the next stage of their transformation. The processing plant is the heart of the operation, where pumpkins are transformed from simple gourds into the ingredients we know and love. The first step is all about cleanliness. Imagine a car wash, but for pumpkins. Pumpkins are dumped into massive stainless steel tanks filled with water. High-pressure jets blast away dirt, debris, and any lingering field remnants. Rotating brushes give them a thorough scrub down, ensuring they're squeaky clean. Next, the pumpkins are sorted. Much like a team of expert pumpkin matchmakers, they're separated by size, shape, and color. Only the best of the bunch make it through to the next round. The rejects, well, they might end up as animal feed or compost, but nothing goes to waste. Now the real magic happens. This is where the journey of the pumpkin truly begins, transitioning from the field to the factory. The cleaned and sorted pumpkins enter a maze of machinery, a testament to human ingenuity. Each machine has a specific role, ensuring that every part of the pumpkin is utilized efficiently. This is where technology shines, transforming these orange orbs into a variety of products. The process is both fascinating and complex, involving multiple stages of transformation. First, they go through automated peelers and deseeders. These machines are designed to handle the tough skin and fibrous insides of the pumpkin with ease. These machines, marvels of engineering, separate the flesh from the rind and remove the seeds with astonishing speed and precision. The efficiency of these machines ensures minimal waste. Next, the pumpkin flesh is processed further, depending on its destiny. The flesh is carefully sorted and directed to different processing lines. Some will be diced, pureed, or mashed, destined for pies, soups, and other culinary delights. Each form of processed pumpkin has its own unique applications in the culinary world. The puree is mixed in large vats, ensuring a consistent texture and flavor. Mashed pumpkin is prepared for packaging, ready to be used in a variety of recipes. Others will be juiced, their sweet nectar extracted and bottled. Pumpkin juice is a versatile product used in beverages, sauces, and even desserts. And some will be cooked, canned, and shelled, ready to bring a taste of autumn to homes year-round. Canned pumpkin is a staple in many households, especially during the holiday season. This entire process, from cleaning to canning, is a testament to the power of technology. It showcases how far we've come in food processing and the incredible efficiency we've achieved. It's a symphony of whirring blades, churning vats, and conveyor belts, all working in perfect harmony to transform humble pumpkins into culinary gold. The end result is a wide array of pumpkin products that delight our taste buds and enrich our culinary experiences. The final stage of the journey takes us from the processing plant to your local grocery store, where the products are eagerly awaited. The transformed pumpkin products, now packaged and labeled, are loaded onto trucks ready for distribution. Cans of pumpkin puree, jars of pumpkin spice, and bottles of pumpkin juice are carefully stacked and secured for transport. Refrigerated trucks maintain the perfect temperature, ensuring the products arrive fresh and ready for consumption by customers. This complex distribution network ensures that pumpkin products, once a seasonal treat, are now available year-round for everyone to enjoy. From coast to coast, these products make their way to supermarkets, restaurants, and homes, bringing a taste of autumn to every season and every table. The journey of the pumpkin, from field to table, is a testament to the power of technology. It's a story of innovation, hard work, and the dedication of countless individuals who keep this industry running smoothly. Modern machinery and technology have transformed pumpkin production, making it more efficient, sustainable, and accessible. From the massive harvesters in the fields to the sophisticated processing equipment in the factories, technology plays a crucial role in every step of the process. So the next time you carve a jack-o'-lantern, savor a slice of pumpkin pie, or sip on a pumpkin spice latte, take a moment to appreciate the amazing journey of the pumpkin. It's a journey made possible by the ingenuity of humans and the incredible machines they create.